What's the meaning of anti-aircraft? Anti-aircraft. 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 Anti-aircraft.
Anti-aircraft refers to measures taken to defend against enemy aircraft. These may include ground-based weapons such as missiles or guns, as well as airborne systems like fighter planes or drones. The purpose of anti-aircraft measures is to reduce the effectiveness of air attacks and protect valuable targets from damage or destruction. Effective anti-aircraft defenses may include both active and passive components, such as early warning systems to detect incoming threats, electronic countermeasures to confuse enemy sensors, and physical barriers to impede or destroy attacking aircraft. Ultimately, the goal of an anti-aircraft system is to deter or defeat hostile aerial attacks.